Point 2. LLC, Link Express. The LDJ Freight Broker Freight Dispatcher and Freight Carrier CDL and Non-CDL Driver Training Program. 4 modules of on-the-job training program for beginner broker dispatchers. Introduction to Transportation Module 1. Part 1. What is a freight broker, freight dispatcher, freight carrier? Part 2. Skills and knowledge needed. The Logistics Chain Basic Training Module 2. Part 1. Shippers and Receivers. Part 2. Freight Brokers, Freight Dispatchers. Part 3. Freight Carriers. Part 4. How the Logistics Chain Comes Together. Freight and Equipment Training Module 3. Part 1. Cargo Vans, Box Trucks, Semi-Trucks. Part 2. Trailers and Other Equipment. Part 3. Freight Being Transported Commodities. Broker Dispatcher Training Module 4. Part 1. Finding Shippers. Part 2. Paperwork and Setup. Part 3. Documents from Client. TMS Training Module 4. Part 1. Closer Look at Rates Training. Part 2. Market Insights Training. Part 3. Freight and Negotiation Training. Part 4. Freight Lanes Training. Part 5. Seasonality of Freight Training. Part 6. Negotiation Tactics Training. Part 7. Detention and Layover Training. Part 8. Shortages, Overages, Damages Training. Part 9. Claims Reimbursement Underpayment Non-Payment Training. Point 2. LLC, Link Express. Dre@LGenterprise.com